Kaufman, Rockwall, and Terrat. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is
Thanks for watching.
Northern County in north-central Texas, southeastern Cook County in north-central Texas, southwestern Grayson County in north-central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Crum, or 10 miles west of Sanger, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Whitesboro, Crum, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Collinsville, Ray Roberts Park, Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, Ponder, Tioga, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 469 and 489. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If on or near Lake Ray Roberts, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. High winds and waves can capsize boats. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.
Okay, so that was a severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah. So thanks for watching and goodbye. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, share.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County, southeastern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles west of Crum, or about 10 miles west-southwest of Sanger, moving northeast at between 25 and 45 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and hail in excess of 1 inch. Hail damage is possible to vehicles, especially along and north of Highway 380. Locations included in the path of the warning would be Denton, Sanger, Whitesboro, Crum, eventually Pilot Point, and Auburn. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County, southeastern Cook County, and southwestern Grayson County until 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles west of Crum, or 10 miles southwest of Sanger, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour and accelerating. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas states.
National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Terrat County in north-central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Aurora, or over Briar, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, The Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Highland Village, Hazel, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Briar, Eagle Mountain, Little Elm, Roanoke, Pecan Acres, Crum, Pilot Point, and Argyle. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.
Thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, share. Get over.
We interrupt regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has just issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Wise County, for Denton County, and for northwestern Tarrant County until 4:30. There is a severe thunderstorm located over the community of Aurora or near Briar, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and hail in excess of 1 inch. Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, the Colony, South Lake, Corinth, Highland Village will all be in the path of the storm, along with Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Briar, and Eagle Mountain Lake. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Wise County, for all of Denton County, and northwestern Tarrant County until 4:30. A severe thunderstorm has been detected near Briar, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and hail in excess of 1 inch. And a reminder that the entire North Texas area is under a tornado watch until 10 this evening. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Well, thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Denton County until 5:30. Severe thunderstorm is located near Justin, or 7 miles west of Trophy Club, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The storm may contain 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and hail in excess of 1 inch. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Denton County until 5:30. A severe storm detected northeast at 40 miles per hour with 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
You'd have to visit the center. Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Crowley and near Burleson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expects damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Hearst, Burleson, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, Crowley, Forest Hill, Richmond Hills, River Oaks, Kennedale, and Everman. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 38 and 57. Interstate 20 between mile markers 429 and 450. Interstate 30 between mile markers 9 and 29. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m.
Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share. I also got like 1,000 severe thunderstorm warnings today in the tornado watch. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye. Like, subscribe, and share. I never got embassy.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area. here on the weather.
Wildfires have brought evacuations.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
On the way.
In Dewey County, Oklahoma, westbound Interstate 40 is closed at the town of Eric due to wildfires in Texas, and Oklahoma's governor has now declared a state of emergency for all 52 counties. So very dangerous fire conditions continuing throughout the day today. Taking a look at the orange here, those are all red flag warnings throughout much of Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. And this is going to go through the evening as well. Our fire danger forecast right here for you. Extreme in brown. So Wichita Falls to Lubbock to El Paso, looking at some very tough conditions, even as far north and northeast as Oklahoma City. So for today, still looking at very windy, gusty conditions, which means if these fires spark, they will spread rapidly. We've already seen that been happening in Oklahoma since Thursday, where about 200,000 acres have already been scorched, and we continue to see that throughout the evening tonight. Those winds gusting up around 50 miles per hour in some cases. Humidity also very, very low, and that moisture is nowhere to be seen. So for you in Oklahoma City, the fire danger threat, biggest threat will be between 3 and 7 o'clock.
Like a supermarket, the dark web is where identity thieves buy and sell your personal information. But now you can protect yourself with Experian. Get a completely free dark web scan to see if your identity has already been compromised. Go to Experian.com/free-scan.
If your underwear feels like this, get butt naked. The most comfortable underwear there is. Only at Duluth stores and DuluthTrading.com. Arby's, we have the meats.
I was so congested, and any pots, drugs, and nasal sprays were just not doing the job. I was sure nothing would work until I tried the My Pure Mysteries.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
With my little